This is my annual. Annual.
₱100 for our 5 winners for the game. Okay, everyone, please punta na po sa may harapan. 2, 1! 3, 2, once again.
Let's go, Ezra! Ay, galing, galing, galing! Ano pa ba yan? Ezra! Galingan mo! We are with Chick.
Hey guys, we're back. Dapat pala nagdala ko mic.
Shoutout po.
Shoutout to Alex. Ano ang name?
Soledad pa.
Ay, happy birthday ba? Happy birthday sa'yo, Alex Salinan. Ay, ikaw ba si Alex Salinan? Tangina mo.
Tira mo kaya. Shot!
Picture muna tayo.
Hindi ito yung wala ng number.
Kahit doon lang. Bueno.
Wait, no.
Game. Oh my God. May transaction pong nagaganap dito, guys. May transaction pong nagaganap. Thank you, Alex. Tapos nagpa-stage pa siya. Guys, so we're here at
Wait.
okay, so we're going now sa biryani, guys. We're gonna claim our order. Thank you.
dito, kuya?
Basta ito, kamsa, ito biryani.
Okay, biryani ito hawak.
We got the goods, guys.
Got the good! Picnic next, let's go.
Yes, pa, biryani ka.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Kaya Alex,
Gusto nyo ng sauce?
Ako,
o wala?
Ako, kuya, dalawang ganito. So, bale 30. Ito ako sa last. Reminder guys, na meron pa po tayong puto bumbong. Puto bumbong, meron pa po. Puto bumbong.
Pwede maglaba. USD bus po ka. Malayo din meron ka raw.
basic topic. But later on, the reputation of UST as a school for physical therapy did not come easily. We had Delia Reyes. Thank you po, Dr.
It's what I'm going to be talking about. I was cautioned a while ago by the student I had to go and give it only in 15 minutes.
Mentioned, we've always had the chance to top licensure examinations and have top notchers, but we've always
Where to go? Kasi it's only you who would be able to win decide for that.
Yung 10 years from now, ano ba yung nakikita mo sa sarili mo? And that's when you follow that path.
CRS Alumni Association as significant
Okay, line up, line up.
Hindi pala, ay pero nasa